There we go. Okay, take off. Take off. Look at that.
Catch up with it.
That's my baby. Oh. I want to show you guys how smoothly this thing drives lately. Just headed to work right now. You can hear it still. Open headers. Just smooth as butter. I really enjoy driving this Jeep, guys. The other day it was kind of rainy and wet outside and totally burned the tires on it. Pretty sweet. I'll have to get some better video of this thing driving and running, but just been really busy lately. And but we'll get to that. Hey guys, thanks for hanging around. Alright guys, now we're getting organized in here. I got that sumbitch out of there. I really needed this thing. So, here's what we got going on. Everything's labeled. This big mess right here is all the lifters. You got your timing cover, valve train parts. Got the, so those two bolts that I broke, those were the only two that were on there that bad. The rest of them came off very easily. Probably too easily, actually. Kind of a weird thing is that the exhaust manifolds are different for each side. That's weird. I don't know if that's supposed to be like that. I don't think it is. But I don't know why it would come like that. I don't know. So I've never seen one of these before. It's like a check valve or something like that. Anyway, yeah, there they are. So you can see here, so this is, I think this is when you port them. You see how it's built up right there? So the gasket didn't, it didn't open up for the full width of or the area of the gasket. And you're supposed to grind that down so that you can get better flow. I don't know. We'll get into that. Okay, so that's all that. Drop the oil pan and pulled all the lifters. And when I get another minute, I woke up late today, guys. I haven't done anything in a week on any of my projects because I got really sick, and I've been coughing all damn night, all week long. But so I need to get this this plate off of here, this flywheel thing, and so I can get my camshaft out of there. And then we'll be good to go. And I am going to remove all the pistons. We're going to get this thing ready for the machine shop, basically. Anyway, guys, thanks a bunch. Thanks for staying with me. Today is Kyson's birthday party. His birthday is Monday. He'll be 7 years old. So I'll have some video of that and all the chaos that's going to ensue. Again, thank you for watching Montana Low Gear. Everybody just stay tuned. We're going to get this block here machined. And I'm going to get it shoved back in that car. Going to get the car in primer. And roast some tires. So, thanks a lot, guys. Again, bye-bye. Well, look what I got little Kyson for his birthday. His very own tool locker. So I'm cutting him out some padding. And getting it all set up because I got him his very first Craftsman tool set, guys. Let's see. Ugh. Oh. Got him a little hammer. What else? Got him a nice little Craftsman 58-piece set. So we'll set that up in there. And got him some little pliers. So these are kind of cool, and I might use them myself. And then I've got some other stuff here. I don't know if it'll fit in there, but see, I've got these here that I can give him. Let's see if they'll fit. Might have to put them down low. I know they're not gonna fit in here. Oh, maybe here. Perfect. So that's where we'll set those up at. And we'll get him his very first little set here, guys. So stay tuned for Kyson's toolbox tour.
You're big enough you could be 8. I know.
Here's the birthday boy.
Hey!
Say hi, Dad.
Papa.
Hi, Dad. Come on. Say hi, Daddy.
Get back over here, kid.
Emerson.
Whoa, you almost got it.
This is pre-party. This is the pre-game. Amber.
Hi. Oh, you almost got me.
Chips and dips. It's a kids' party, so this is Capri Sun, not beer.
What we got?
Oh, but we got beer. I wonder what this is. Uh-oh. Looks like a tool set. Shh. Ready for the party. How old are you?
It's a golf ball. Uncle Dave wanted me to go golfing with him this morning. And I was
7. Alright, so this is what we got Kyson for his birthday. We got this, I believe, at an antique shop. My wife found it, and we just thought, yeah, we gotta have it. And it was kind of funny because he had, right about that time, he had started asking for a tool set. So, Bubba, I'm gonna let you take the reins. Go ahead, show us your toolbox.
Yep. So here are all my wrenches. Well, not all of them, but got all my
Quarter inch.
1/4 inch. And
Pretty cool.
got a little
3/8.
wrench over here from one of my nice tool boxes that I got. That will show you guys at the end. Hold on, I need to leave this open so I can open with these. They're all my wrenches, a hammer, pliers,
Nice.
hammer, new hammer that I used, nailing, nailed it,
Nailed it.
and
Screwdrivers.
here's one of my new ones from this set. We'll show you guys.
This is from that Craftsman Evolve
Yeah.
line.
And we got this little bendy thing from my dad that he gave me. Got a whole bunch of
Allen keys.
Allen keys and a nice
Screwdriver.
screwdriver.
Cool.
And got tops for screwdrivers like this. And then down here are my wrenches.
There we go. Keeping him nice and neat like his old man.
And then way down here, all my gloves are down there in a bag. Got a big ol'
Robo grips.
rubber grips and some wrenches that move like this. So like, if I can get one out, yeah, these move like this. And then here is the case with all with these ones are, where these ones are, and then in here we have these, which are pretty cool.
It's a really cool little set there.
Like this is where, so there's this part right here is where my screwdriver went. No, the screwdriver went right in the middle.
Right in the middle, right there.
And then this is where the wrench went.
Ratchet.
Ratchet, I meant.
And then this is where those Allen keys were.
Yeah, the Allen keys.
Cool.
And,
So, there's Kyson's set.
and we have one more thing.
Oh.
I have one more thing to show you guys. Hold on. If I can zip this real quick.
I'll hold it for you.
And I got this.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that
I
one.
got this for my birthday. Got this for my birthday. And I got this for my birthday.
Another little socket set. This is a nice little small 10-piece set that his grandfather gave him. Really nice. So
I don't know. I have no idea what goes right here.
storage, it says. So you can put whatever you want there.
It's pretty cool.
Maybe we could fit a little flashlight in there.
Oh, yeah.
There we go. Oops, sorry. So, we're ready for a nice little father-son project.
And it's good for me because I have a lot.
So Kyson's first project will be, we're inheriting a go-kart.
Yeah, we get a gold card.
From who? Yeah, from Papa Kent.
From Papa Kent.
Yeah, it's very old. We haven't seen it yet. We don't know anything about it other than it's changed hands and changed motors
Yeah.
a couple different times.
And it just, like, one person had it, fixing it for a little while. Then it just kept passing on
Yep.
until it gets passed to us, and we're going to keep it. But we can't give it to anyone else.
No.
No. But it has to be in our family.
So, there you go, guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks for looking at Kyson's toolbox tour. And, yeah, Montana low gear, right, bub?
Yep.
Yep. All right.
Oh, hey, I need to go on my bedroom first.
Where are you
Get
gonna?
my Montana low gear sign.
Oh, they've already seen it.
No, I want to put it in my toolbox.
Oh, yeah, you should. That'd be a cool idea.
I know.
All right, guys. Signing out. Montana low gear and Kyson and his new toolbox. All right, guys. Got me my power washer out. Got me my heads cleaned. Intake. Timing cover. Timing cover cleaned up pretty good, actually. And a tranny. So I'm gonna pat this all dry real good and then douse it with some good WD-40. We're gonna blow it off with some air too. So just trying to get cleaned up around here. And then I'm gonna get some hot water and some Dawn dish soap and get this thing cleaned up real good. So I've never done that before. I might go ahead and take the pistons out too while I'm at it. So stay tuned, guys. Lots going on today. Okay, got it all cleaned. Doused it down with WD-40 where it needed it, where I think it needs it, I don't know. And, yep. So, this thing is still pretty dirty. But, gonna get all new oil pump internals. So, this is an external oil pump, right? And this is where your oil filter goes. And inside there's some little gears. And that's how you replace an oil pump on a Buick 455 and a Buick 350. They're the same thing. So basically this piece here has a gear on the end of it, and then there's another gear on the other side here. And you take those two out, put the two new ones in, and it has a check valve in here, and that gets replaced with a spring. So, looking good, man. Looking real good. I'm always happy when something's clean. Alright, so gonna get a little more work done here, and stay tuned for the work we're going to do. Thanks, guys. Alright, guys, got her flipped over. Taking a close look. We're taking off. This is a gurgle plate. I don't know what it's really called, but it's so that the oil doesn't get air bubbles in it. Oil pickup tube. And I'm going to take all this stuff off and consider taking the pistons off if I can find a good place to store them while I do this work. So I'm going to continue on my mission. Some things I find worth documenting is the clearances here. I can get a 7 in and barely get an 8 in. So let's get that 8 back. Try a 9. Nope. So 0.008 thousandths of an inch. Seven on the next. Eight on the next. Eight on the next. And that's it. So I got 8, 8, 8, 7. Well, you saw on there. So I just want to document that as I'm going, because I'm about to pull these pistons out of here. This is the first time I've ever pulled a piston before in my life. Wish me luck. Okay guys, so I got these little pieces of tubing here so I don't scar out my crank journals, and got the first piston pulled. I wouldn't know the first thing about how good it looks, but I do know that the bearings look pretty fair. So, from what I've read, I'm going to put them in this box, label the box that this is the front of the motor, and we're going to get them all out of here right away, right now. So, cool! Out. Got them in this box right here. From front to back. Got all the caps and bolts put back on. And the next step, I want to get some sort of container to put the crank in. Something that'll keep it safe and all that before I pull it off, but I will pull it off for sure. Yep. So there it is, folks. I got the oil pan over here. I don't have time to clean all this stuff up today, really. I gotta get inside and hang out with my babies. So I'm actually gonna get all this cleaned up, put back away, and call her a day. So let me flip it back over real quick though, and we'll look at those cylinder walls and see just how bad they are. They don't look that bad from right there, but hold on. Tighten that up. Look at that solid line going down right there. See that? There's one going across right there, and there's one going up and down. So they are wearing improperly. You can see them on all of them. See them? Boom, boom. Pretty sure they're not supposed to be like that. So, got the block disassembled completely, guys. First time I've ever done it. That was fun. That was a lot of fun. Pulled the cam out. It looks pretty bad too. Look at this. I'm pretty sure, see that? Let me see if I can make it focus up. See this little nick right there? That is not, you can't wipe that off. That's on there. So, and it's on that one too. I don't know about these. I don't know if that's the way it's supposed to be, but I don't think so. So, maybe it is. I don't know. Don't know much about cams, but I got a lot to research, and I'm gonna do my research to the maximum here on this thing. So, when you get it stripped down, it's actually not that big, but those cylinders are huge. Alright guys, hey, thanks for watching Montana Low Gear. Hope you guys are enjoying this series so far. Can't wait to get started on some fun stuff here. Boy, they cleaned up good, didn't they? This is painted a different color. It was painted red or orange, and it looks like they just painted blue over the top of everything. So, and everything just peeled right off of there. Probably because the gas was on there, right? Anyway. Alright guys, thanks again.